So, Sam, what's today?
Sam.
Is today your birthday?
Today, your birthday.
And what did you get?
Water.
A water table?
Water.
Is it cool?
And dumping water. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Boy,
What else did you get, honey?
Did you get anything else, Sam? What'd you get? What else did you get for a present? Oh, what's that over there?
Did you get the turtle?
Oh no, we're gonna stay outside, buddy.
You want to keep playing with your new toy? Oh, I know what you're looking for. I'll bring it out.
Hey, Sam, come over here for a second.
What's that?
Come back over to your water table. Oh, we don't need to shut that right now. Come on over, buddy. Mommy will shut it. Pretty cool.
On this one.
There you go, sweetie.
No, all together.
All together?
And two. Put on the side. Shoulder got that. Then take my shirt off.
So you can keep your shirt on for now, buddy.
It's okay if it's wet, honey. Do you want to pour some water into your mouth?
No.
No.
So do you know where's your sandbox, Sam? That's your sandbox? You know who the sandbox is from? Yeah, that's a water table. Do you know who the sandbox is from, Sam? It's from Grandma and Grandpa Bromley.
Yeah, the turtle sandbox is for you from Grandma and Grandpa.
You want to say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
You look at Daddy?
Sam,
Sam, look at Daddy.
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, to look this way.
You say Sam, look over here. Sam. You say thank you, Sam? What was that?
Ooh.
I know. Leave me alone, Daddy. I'm playing. You say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandma.
Oh, it's very nice. And Grandma and Grandpa Trujillo gave you all kinds of neat stuff, too. You got your car. Where's your car? Maybe later?
You shooting water?
All right, Sam, can you blow a kiss? And say bye-bye.